Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Rikard Engberg and I'm an equity research analyst at Carnegie Investment Bank. With me I have Jessica Skon, CEO of BTS Group, who has reported trade. Jessica, welcome.
My pleasure, thank you.
And Jessica, congratulations for great Q4. Can you please summarize this in a couple of sentences?
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. We've had a record quarter, right? So 21% earnings in the fourth quarter, and that following a difficult year is making us very proud.
Okay, great. And can you please describe what is driving the strong margin growth in the quarter?
Sure. We've been talking for the last, 4 quarters of our efficiency and internal innovations, and that just played all the way through, per plan. And we also saw stronger growth in North America and other markets.
And has there been any certain industries that has been driving the growth and profitability during the quarter?
Yeah, I think that our focus on the industries primarily outside of tech for the last 5-6 quarters has played off. So we're seeing growth in pharma, bio, and energy, CPG, industrials actually. And one of the nice things is in the fourth quarter, our software and tech clients are coming back and actually back to growth.
Okay, great. And we have seen growth in both BTS North America and BTS other markets in the quarter, but a slight decline in Europe. Would you say that North America and other markets are ahead of Europe in the recovery, or is it the other way around?
Yeah, I agree with that. Right, I think North America, we saw 5.5 to 6 quarters in the tech sector, which took to kind of come back around. The other industries was more of a 4-quarter thing, and Europe seems to be at the beginning of the 3rd quarter of their experience of overall client conservatism.
Okay, great. And can you please describe the main drivers behind the new guidance for 2024? Is it going to be growth or a continued stable margin?
Both. So we expect both revenue growth and EBITDA growth. The nice thing is the internal efficiencies that we put in place in 2023 will carry over with us, right, and help us scale. They were not short-term cuts. So.
Okay, great. Now, my last question is regarding this. How optimized would you say that your cost structure is right now? Will you be able to grow without adding much cost during 2024 to 2025?
Yeah. On average across the units, we think we can grow about 5% without additional headcount. Yeah.
Okay, great. And lastly, how has Boda performed during the quarter, and how is the acquisition market?
Boda's doing great, just like the first quarter and a half. In terms of the cross-selling, that continues to grow. We're winning more work. Really happy with that acquisition. And yes, we continue to look at both new capabilities and geographical expansion.
Okay, great. Jessica, nice having you here at Carnegie, and thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you.